I mean, Picasso had a saying, he said, good artists copy, great artists steal.
Suit hanging over Ripple right now. A group of people are saying that XRP and Ripple are sort of tied together and that they, XRP could be considered an unregistered security. What would you say to them?
Well, it's pending litigation, so I'll probably be a little bit, muted on the topic. Suffice it to say, we don't think it has merit. These are people who didn't buy XRP from us. We also don't believe XRP is a security. I think, one of the poignant arguments in my point of view is, if I went back to the office and said to the team at Ripple, hey, we're shutting down, XRP trades on 130, 140 exchanges around the world. XRP would keep trading. So you're like, wait a minute, okay, so if it's a security of what? It's not a security of Ripple. It doesn't give you the rights to dividends or ownership of Ripple, the company. We have shareholders of Ripple, right? We raised a Series A financing, a Series B financing, and we own a lot of XRP, but they're two separate things.
Welcome to the Cryptoteacher, and guys, please like and subscribe. If you do like what you're listening to, please inform your friends and family and spread it all over social media. It is imperative that we get back to learning finances and understand how the world really works, because once we understand how the world really works, we understand that everything is planned out. Now, I want to thank those who purchased the books, Cryptoteacher and WO book. Also, those who donated to the Cash App, Patreon, much love. And then, of course, also those who are shopping at the store, blowing the store up, much love also. Now, guys, of course, we're going to get into cryptos, Bitcoin first. Now, of course, volume went up, and what happened to the rest of the market? Went up slightly, volume went up slightly. Now we're at about 83 billion. So volume has picked up. What happens tomorrow? The Fed writes a check. The stock market is up today, but the stock market is overheating, guys. Stock market is overheating. Basically really overheating. We know the Fed is buying these stocks and everything like that and printing money like crazy, but it is still overheating. So they have to keep that stock market up. So most likely we're going to get less and less money from the Fed because they have to keep this charade going on for the masses. The masses look at the stock market. They don't care anything about cryptos. They don't even know about cryptos. So let's just make sure we are sticking with the fundamentals. What are our fundamentals? Volume, stable coin, and XRP. Remember, XRP is that synthetic stable coin. That's what's actually controlling the market, guys. So make sure we're focused on that. Now, because like I said, the Fed strokes a check tomorrow. Make sure we're looking out for that. But then also we have what? Bitmex, Cme, and the rest of the exchanges for the futures. So we know we're going to take a dip. Just like I said, basically they do it a few days before, a few days after. Now we know they need Bitcoin on the 5th. So they normally slow up on the 4th. But we know for a fact they need it back on the 5th. So we know that we pick up. So just like I stated, guys, make sure we are focused on the dates and the indicators. Now, guys, we're going to get over into crypto news. Now, basically, we have Ripple sued again for the trademark, PayID. Now, guys, I know for a fact, everybody who researched PayID when this first came out, we saw the Australian PayID, and for some reason, all of us, we were like, okay, all these big corporations, they must be linked somehow. But evidently not. So right now, they're being sued again. Ripple is constantly being sued, and what did Steve Jobs say? Good artists copy, great artists steal. And we know that's the reason why they have the patent office. And we know that from Bill Gates. Steve Jobs learned firsthand. We also have Chris Larson stating that China has a great chance of replacing the US dollar with the digital yuan. Guys, we know this is already planned out. Been over this plenty of times, but it's like I say that Chris Larson is slowly doing that Hegelian dialectic constantly. Now, also, as far as what Ripple is concerned, XRP holders can actually claim their Spark tokens as far as what the airdrop is concerned for the Flare network. Now, of course, there's no data when that mainnet will be launched. Now, we know that the Chinese yuan, digital yuan, is being tested, but it's only for small retail transactions. Now, also, China's blockchain security to launch a stablecoin support in 2021. Now, guys, why would they offer a stablecoin support. Now, like I stated in plenty of my videos, you're going to have these CBDCs that are going to be attached to that synthetic stable coin. So you may have one, you may have two, but that's the reason why they're going to have support for it. And of course, we have Libra coming out with their stable coin. So you slowly see this coming together, because of course, if they were only going to be using the digital yuan, they wouldn't have to launch support for stablecoin. So we slowly see this coming together. Now, basically, we also have the UK regulators approve Visa acquisition of Plaid. That is very big. We have the Binance mainnet chain hard fork coming for upgrades. Make sure you're looking out for that, guys. We have Coinbase. CEO says that Apple is still hostile towards crypto and DeFi apps. Guys, we know this is all playing out eventually. It'll be on the Apple phones. Of course, we have Samsung already doing it. So we know it'll be on the Apple phones. Now, we know that the Apple phones have not started with the 5G. So once they implement that 5G on their phones, then of course you'll start seeing the crypto and the D apps. Remember, this is all planned out. We have Filecoin to launch a competition to test this network. It's going to be giving out 4 million tokens. We have Bitmex blocked in Ontario, Canada, basically September 1st, and I think you have until January 4th, 2021 to close your position, and that's just in Ontario, so they must came up with some lawsuits. We know Bitmex. Now also we have Bitstamp is going to be moving from London to Luxembourg. Now guys, we know for some reason Luxembourg comes up. And then also basically we have Google pulls his work from the Philippines. Basically they were stealing the gift cards and actually cashing in for Bitcoin, and good for them, because Google probably was paying them $2 an hour or something like that. But then lastly, guys, getting over to world news, something big is that yields continue to not move. So guys, we know the reason why, because the Fed is buying the bonds. It's like the Fed is controlling cryptos. The Fed is controlling stocks. Guys, as long as you understand that the game is rigged, you're going to make money. But guys, that's all I have for you. Don't forget about the books, Cryptoteacher NWO book. Also, if you're new to cryptos, Coinbase, Bitrue, Binance. Also, your stocks, we have Kobo, chip stocks, gaming, banking stocks. Also, people sitting at home, don't forget about those stocks. You have the C word, the biotech stocks, don't forget about those. And then also, because people are doing what? Trying to wait on that free money. After Trump signed executive order, say he was going to get it to them immediately, but it never happened. What are they doing? Drinking and smoking weed. Don't forget about those stocks, and y'all have a wonderful day.